How to find wallet address on Coinomi, or how to find Coinomi wallet address. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Misnet, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can find Coinomi wallet address. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through quick and easy through this video. In order to find Coinomi wallet address, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Coinomi wallet and you'll be headed to this page. Now, if you have already added the particular crypto to your page, home page here, you should be able to find it here. However, if not, you want to tap on plus icon there, and then you want to tap on add coins, and now you can go ahead and select the coins. Now, for suppose you want to get the address for here, let's say Ethereum. So if you want to deposit Ethereum and you want the wallet address for Ethereum, select it and then tap on plus, and then you can authorize and tap on OK, and now it'll be added here, as you can see. Now next thing what you want to do is you can either tap on Ethereum or Bitcoin. Now if you want to receive, now for instance Ethereum, tap on it and you'll be headed to this balance page. Now if you want to buy, you can see you can buy as well, but if you want the wallet address, tap on receive option there and you'll be able to get the address. So you can either copy this address or you can scan the QR code as well. So this is how you can get the wallet address on Coinomi. Hope this video helped you. Like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.